So hello guys, good morning. So these are just additional example problem. Okay, isa lang naman to for sorry. This is under the cable. So kasi ilagay ko na lang cables. Okay. Ito ay yung kung na-discuss natin, meron ako sinend sa inyo yung video kanina. Meron ako sinend na video sa inyo with ang tawag dito, with parabolic cables, okay, the symmetric and non-symmetric parabolic cables. Ngayon naman guys, yung typical approach lang natin, this is just also the problems related to cables kasi, but yung approach na to guys is para lang siyang basta simple equilibrium lang siya, paano natin siya i-analyze when it comes to solving the problems. Okay, so in this case guys, equilibrium equations lang naman yung gagamitin natin. So kung papansinin nyo, yung problem natin dito is para siyang method of joints. Okay, so in this case guys, ganun pa rin po, kung hindi puputulin, hindi sisingaw. Okay, so now, ano sa tinatanong dyan is determine the tension developed in each cord required for the equilibrium of the 20 kilogram lamp. Okay, so this is, lagay natin, this is AC, this is cord BC, this is cord CD, this is cord DE, and of course this is cord cord DF. Okay, nagkakaintindihan. So guys, kung papansin niyo, pagka tinake natin itong F na to, okay, by the way, this is 20 kilogram. Okay, so this is 20 kilogram. So in order for us to identify if kung ilang force yung 20 kilogram or weight, diba i-multiply natin yan ng 9.81 meter per second square by the gravitational acceleration. So 20 times 9.81 is simply equal to 196.2. What's the unit? Of course, Newton. Okay, so ngayon titingnan natin. Okay, if we're going to isolate the joint F, kasi doon tayo magsisimula, di ba? Parang kumbaga sa method of joints, kung saan tayo solvable. Kung mapansinin nyo sa joint F, or sa point F, lagay natin, baka kasi ma-confuse kayo. Kung lalagyan natin, di ba this is 196 point, 2? Tama, 20 times 10.81 is 196.2 Newton. And then, yung force, of course, pag cable, of course, we have tension, di ba? So, pataas yung ating DF, okay? For tension. So, in this case, guys, we have the summation forces vertical lang is equal to 0. 0 is equal to DF minus 196.2 Newton. So, in this case, guys, we have DF is equal to 196.2 Newton lang din. So, technically, guys, ito na yung force natin sa DF. Yan ay patatawirin natin ngayon. Okay, so let's say at point D, okay, we have at point D, okay, i-isolate natin yung point D siguro. Pwede kaya ito? Teka lang. Okay, tingnan natin kung pwede. Yun, pwede pala yun. So, ibig sabihin, in-isolate natin yung point D. Diba, guys, that this is your DF. This is your DE. Tama. And this is your CD. So, in this case, guys, lahat yan cable. So, alam natin lahat yan is tension, diba? Wala ka namang compression na cable. Okay, so DF natin is equal, of course, to 196.2 Newton. Okay, paano masasolve yan? Para masolve natin yung cable CD and DE, babalik lang tayo sa summation forces vertical is equal to 0. 0 is equal to DE. Ilan yung angle natin? So, this is nakalagay, 30 degrees. Tama. DE, we have sine of 30 minus 196.2. Yung bang CD may vertical component ba? Wala, kasi along the horizontal siya. So, DE is simply equal to 0. DE sine of 30 minus 196.2. This is equal to, for DE, we have 392.4. So, we have 392.4 Newton for our DE. Okay, next, for summation forces horizontal equal to 0. Okay, so we have 0 is equal to negative CD, tama, plus DE cosine of 30. Okay, and then yung DE natin, guys, is we have 392.4 4. So technically, we have negative CD plus 392.4 cosine of 30. So this is equal to 339.83. So ang CD natin is equal to 339.83 Newton. So this is our answer for CD. Okay? Now, after identifying the forces in cable CD and DE, pwede na tayong lumipat ng another point. Okay? Ibig sabihin, okay na tayo dito. Highlight lang natin. Okay na tayo for DE, DF, and CD. So, i-identify na lang natin guys is yung member CA or AC and BC. So, i-isolate lang natin. Isolate ko lang muna ulit ito. Okay? Isolate lang natin siya. Copy ko na lang siguro yan at point C. Okay, let's say at point C. Okay, point C siguro i-adjust ko lang to. Okay, adjust ko lang yan. Okay, adjust ko lang siya. And then siguro lahat nga yan is tension lang din. We have tension din dito. Okay, kung titingnan nyo guys, of course tension din yan. Okay, kung titingnan nyo guys, ang angle natin for BC from the horizontal is we have 45 degrees. So we have 45 degrees. And for slope na binigay sa atin for AC ay 345, 3 vertical, 3 horizontal, 4 vertical, and 5 yung the longest side. Okay, so that's 3, 4, 5 triangle. Okay, so that's okay na. Now, okay, at meron tayong CD. Alam natin yung CD that this is 339.83 Newton. So, ibig sabihin, let's take, okay, so parang magkakaroon tayo dito ng 2 equations and 2 unknowns. So, kasi meron tayo ditong we have AC and BC. So, we have AC and BC. Okay? So, unahin natin. 2 equations. Meron naman tayo yan. Summation forces horizontal is equal to 0. 0 is equal to CD. Tama? CD. Okay? Minus AC. Since horizontal tayo, we have 3 over 5. Tama? Tama? Okay. So, another minus BC na sine of 45. Okay, so that's technically our equation number 1. Okay, ganyan na gawin natin guys. Wala naman ano yan. So we have 339.83. So sige, para mas conservative siguro tayo, para mas maipakita natin, lipat na lang natin. So we have AC 3 over 5 AC, let's say, wait lang, AC, gawin na nga lang 3 over 5 plus na yan kasi nilipat na natin, plus BC sine of 45 minus equal to 339.83. Okay, so technically this is our equation. Ito yung equation 1. Okay, so i-highlight ko lang siguro yan. Yan yung ating equation 1. Now for our equation 2, madali lang to. This is summation forces vertical is equal to 0. 0 is equal to AC. Oh, wait lang. AC. And then 4 over 5 tayo dyan kasi vertical. Minus BC. Okay. Actually, this is cosine pala. Although 45 degrees naman siya. Para lang di malito. This is cosine pala. Okay. So, this is cosine. This is cosine. Okay. Dito pa lang tayo magsasine. Okay. Sine of 45. Although equal lang yan kasi 45 degrees naman. Okay. So, yun na. Wala na tayong another vertical component besides that. Okay. So, technically, we have AC 4 over 5. Okay. Plus minus BC sine of 45. O sige, iaalaw ko na kayong mag equations unknowns. Ilan yung lilitaw natin dito? 2 equations, 2 unknowns. This is equation 2. Ang magmo-mode 1 na lang tayo dyan kasi 2 equations, 2 unknowns. Mode 5 plus 1 na lang yan. So, mode 5 plus 1 So we have 3 over 5. Wait lang. We have 3 over 5. We have we have cosine of 45. And we have 339.83. Let's say for AC, we have 4 over 5. We have negative sine of 45 and 0. So, this is, ang sagot natin is for AC, this is equal to 242.74 Newton. And then for CB, for BC or CB, BC is equal to 274.62 Newton. So, ang mga sagot natin, okay, for each cables, meron na tayong 1, 2, we have, okay na tayo dito, okay na tayo sa AC and BC. So, this is, ayun sagot natin. Okay. So, balik 5 items agad yan kung titingnan nyo. Kasi for DE, meron ka na agad neto. For DF, meron ka na. For DE, CD, we have AC and BC. Okay. So, that's for additional sample problem for cables.